Hello there! In this video we will see how we can change our website's title and tagline. So we have logged in our WordPress dashboard, we go from the left menu to Settings and we choose General. And that's about it, because here it is, the site title, and below the tagline. Changing the site title and tagline is really important because the site title is the website's identity. It will be displayed in many places. For example, if I open the website in a new tab, you see that here is the site's title. As for the tagline, it should describe what my website is about. Both of those are also the website's identity in Google search results. So if your site is live and running, you wouldn't want it to display that it is a test site. So that's about it. Thank you for watching this video, and if you wish to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel.